Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video I'll be doing a mousse battle featuring the Crazy Sexy Curl mousse, and I'll be comparing that to the ALIKAY Naturals Lemongrass Styling Mousse. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So I'm starting on some freshly washed hair. I'm just taking off my microfiber towel as you're seeing here. My hair is in 4 sections as always. And what I'm going to do is just start off in the back with no leave-in conditioner whatsoever, just to see how the products work on their own. So I'll be starting on the left side with the Crazy Sexy Curl, and I'll be going on the right side with the ALIKAY Naturals mousse. So starting off in the front part, this will be a braid out, so I will be in the front part just for demonstration purposes. I am going to section off my hair using my comb because I want precise parting for this style in particular. And as you're seeing, the sizing isn't that big, but it's also not that small either, so probably a medium-sized section. So I'm clipping that away as you're seeing, and I am going to be going in with some water just to hydrate the area just a little bit because there is no leave-in conditioner in my hair. You're seeing me rub my hands through my hair just to make sure that the water is in it. And now we're going to go in with the ALIKAY Naturals mousse. I'm just going in with 1 pump to start, and I think that I will need another pump, so I'll be going in with an extra pump just because I want the entire section to be saturated. So I'm just raking my fingers through, just doing a detangle. There is no leave-in conditioner in my hair, so I had to take my time to detangle my hair. Luckily for me, there was enough slip in the product, so it wasn't that hard to detangle. I am going to go in with a braid as I said, and this is not a tutorial, it's just me showing the process for my braid out. Alrighty, so the first braid is done. That's what I will do for that side, and I'll be back. So these are my braids. They look nice and juicy on camera. I'll go the other side with the doux Crazy Sexy Curl setting foam, and I'll complete the braids over that side. Then I'll show the braids now. These are the braids for the doux Crazy Sexy Curl, and they look nice as well. These actually look shinier than the ALIKAY Naturals mousse. So what I will do is leave these in for a couple days, and I will be back in a few days to do the takedown. So it's a few days later, and it's time to take down the braids. It's almost close to a week later, but we move. So I'm starting off on the ALIKAY Naturals side, just pinning away the doux side, focusing on the front section here so that you can see. I'm unraveling with no oil whatsoever because there is really no need to, and I'm just taking my time to unravel the braid. So that is what you will essentially see me do. I will speed up the process, then I'll be back when the hair is completed. So these are what the ALIKAY Naturals results look like. These look beautiful, and I will quickly show you the doux side, and that will come in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so this is the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl side. And now we're going to get into my thoughts on the definition, the moisture, and the hold. If you are new to this channel, that is what I do for my battles. I compare each side to the moisture, the definition, and the hold. And I'm going to start off with the moisture. Both sides do feel moisturized, so I will give the moisture on both ends an 8 out of 10. I am not expecting it to be completely 100% moisturized, but as I'm feeling my hair, this side does feel a little softer and a little more conditioned rather than the Crazy Sexy Curl foam. So I think that I will change the ALIKAY Naturals to a 9, and I will keep the Crazy Sexy Curl at an 8 because my hair does feel moisturized overall. So as I said, the Crazy Sexy Curl gets an 8 and the ALIKAY Naturals gets a 9. Now for definition. I realize that the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl side has a lot more definition than the ALIKAY Naturals. The ALIKAY Naturals has a lot more volume in my opinion, whereas the Big Girl has a more defined, more flat look. So with that being said, the definition on the Big Girl gets a 9 out of 10 from what I'm seeing, and the ALIKAY Naturals gets an 8. I'm not sure how long this will last, and I will touch on that into the hold, which I will go into now. So based on what I said in the definition department, I think that because the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl has ingredients that provide hold, I do think that the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl side is going to last a lot longer than the ALIKAY Naturals. Look out for my pinned comment to see if that prediction is accurate. But so far, based on the hold, I can definitely feel a little bit of a cast over here as well, rather than the ALIKAY Naturals, which really has a soft hold. This one has more soft to medium hold. So I think that the hold on the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl setting foam gets an 8 out of 10 for the hold, and this side gets a 7, just because I don't think that the ALIKAY Naturals is going to last, because as you look at these pieces at the front, they're starting to frizz up just a little bit. It's maybe due to me not plaiting as tightly as I could, but then again, I don't normally plait tightly, so there is also that element. So you may get a different result if you do the braids or plaits a little tighter, but since I don't, this is the result. And as I'm speaking now, I'm remembering my experience with the ALIKAY Naturals when it comes to a twist out or a wash and go, I would have posted the wash and go video. If I did a twist out on it, I will also link the video here on the screen and in the description box. But based on those, the ALIKAY naturals held up, but my roots started frizzing around day 3, or started to show evidence of wear and tear from day 2. So that is why hair gets a 7 and the big girl I think would get an 8, because the last time I did the battle of the mousses between the two doux mousses that I have, the big girl actually came out on top. So overall, I think that these are 2 great mousses. If you are interested in going for a softer hold and you don't care that much about how long the definition will last, the ALIKAY Naturals is the way to go, especially if you want to have more moisturized and more soft curls. But if you still want the soft curls with a little more hold, definitely go the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl route, just because I, from my experiences, have had my sets with the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curl last a lot longer. So I do think that this is a good option as well. These are 2 great mousses if you are again interested in softer curls and not necessarily looking for that much hold, ALIKAY Naturals. But if you're interested in moisture plus hold, go the Big Girl Crazy Sexy Curls side. So that is the end of my thoughts and my battle. Definitely again look out for the pinned comment to see if my thoughts have changed as the week progresses. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.